Alright, I should have made this video years ago. Never got around to it. Well, here it is. The Ford 3600 Ford. 3600 is a 36 horse. Why go by horsepower in a tractor is beyond me, because horsepower doesn't mean much. It's all about the torque. There's the transmission right there, and it's pretty huge. You got two oil filters, power steering, I think that, alternator, intake, muffler, filter, canister, fuel filter, starter, radiator. There's a brush hog, heavy duty. What brand it is, I don't know. All I know is it has a globe looking thing on the side. There's pumpkin, backside differential. Ford C5NN4013D. We have the manual for it somewhere. And it's got a tampon on it, a pad. It was in your trailer.
Huh?
It was in the trailer.
No.
That little one won't work?
No, it's not
This is your clutch, just like in a car. You got, let's see.
The grease gun was free.
1, 2, 3, 4, and straight down and back's reverse. And this one, whoa, darn, we got here. This is just low range and high range. This is your low range. This is your high range. Middle is neutral. You got left brake for the left wheel, and then right brake for the right wheel or tire. This is our schematics for how fast you're going. This does not have a speedometer. 21,000 miles, 21,900, 2,19201. So 21,920 miles. No. 219,000. I don't understand. So dirty. Oh, it's hours. 21 hours. 21,000 hours. No, 2,192 hours. There. 0 to 26,000 RPM. Or 2,600 RPM. There's your fuel gauge. There's your coolant level. You know, radiator. Cold, hot. I don't remember what the lights are. This is your throttle. Low. Max. More of the throttle is just for like how much power you're going to use, but the gears are for how fast you're going to go. Pull this to kill it, unlike the key, standard car. Turn this just to start it, or use the lights. What's that? Oh, that's lock your brakes. Parking brake. These handles right here are to lift and lower your forks. That's to manually lower your forks. What else am I forgetting? Oh, lights. That's what that's for. Oh, this right here. Settle, engage, or disengage PTO. And it's pretty much it.
You want to park it in the barn?
Uh-huh.
When you get to the barn, put it in low gear and make sure you don't hit that window, that door, okay?
Okay. Up is low, right?
You take it out, take the PTO out.
Up is low, right?
Yep. First you gotta find your neutral.
Well, I know I had to pick it up.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just like with your average car or truck, take it out of reverse, and unlike in a car, you don't have to go in order because there's so much torque. You just go in whatever gear you want. I only put it in third. Right after we have traffic go by. Or not. 6, 7, or I think that's third. Here we go. Dang, we're going 12 miles an hour. Or 8 miles an hour. 12 kilometers an hour or 8 miles an hour. When you're on top of a tractor, you feel like you're on top of the world, kind of, even if it's just an average-sized tractor. You know, a tractor does not have to be huge with, you know, 8 wheels or whatever. 4's enough. Good size. I mean, bump it up to the next gear. There's 8. Here we go. One thing about tractors, I'm pretty sure, at least with this model, you can't shift while you're moving, unless I'm just, you know, another noob. So let's put it down into second. Watch out, Scarlett. Gotta watch out. Watch out! excellent steering. See that? Go all the way that way. Or all the way that way. Of course, this is the only tractor I've driven, so that's the best I can judge. I know it's pretty good for a tractor, or for anything else for that matter. Put it in first, so you can creep right on in. Alright. Let's put this right there. Put it neutral for now. Now we're not going anywhere. Put the brake in. I don't think any of the backlights work. That's a 3-cylinder 3600. Gets great mileage. You can let it run all day without using hardly any fuel. Yeah, I'm really going to DC fix, but it's got plenty of power to lift it up without any steel. See, the steering is just so easy to steer. Even easier than my dad's Subaru. Once I figure out what gear it is, I think it's an 88 or 89, some 80s model. I'll put it up in the description, and there you go. So that's the family's Ford tractor. Yeehaw! Scarlet. Oh, kitty, 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 kitty.